Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Kick. We've got some explosive news today about former President Donald Trump. On Thursday, a New York court found Trump guilty on 34 criminal charges related to his 2016 presidential campaign. These charges stem from paying hush money to Stormy Daniels and covering it up by falsifying company documents. This verdict marks a significant moment in American legal history, and we're here to break it all down for you. Throughout the months leading up to the 6-week trial, Just Security was a leading source of information on the case. Last week on the Amicus podcast, I discussed this landmark criminal conviction, its consequences, and future plans with New York University professor and Just Security co-editor Ryan Goodman. We delved into the intricacies of the case, the potential appeal, and what this means for Trump's political future. To dive into the details, Trump's legal team has already stated their intention to appeal the verdict. This appeal might address several key issues, including the appropriateness of the trial location, the inflammatory nature of Stormy Daniels' evidence, and the complex decision-making process behind the case. Judge Juan Merchan's potential mistakes will also be a focal point. Goodman believes the appeal holds little merit, but agrees that from a legal standpoint, it's a necessary step. Without appealing, Trump's attorneys would be failing in their duty to provide a robust defense. Former FBI Director James Comey also weighed in during a CNN interview, suggesting that while jail terms for white-collar crimes like Trump's are rare, his actions warrant serious consideration of imprisonment. Comey argued that Trump's persistent attacks on the judicial process and those involved in his case could significantly influence the sentencing. Judge Merchan, set to sentence Trump on July 11th, will factor in Trump's defiance of court orders and personal attacks during the trial. Throughout the trial, Trump has consistently claimed the proceedings were unfair, pointing out the political leanings of the jurors and the trial's timing in relation to the upcoming election. Despite a gag order, he continues to speak out against the jury, witnesses, and Judge Merchan, even formally requesting the gag order be revoked. Trump's legal team has raised concerns about the jury pool's impartiality, arguing that the predominantly Democratic area may have influenced the verdict. The 2024 presidential contender, still the Republican frontrunner, faces multiple legal battles this year, including the criminal trial on July 11th. Trump plans to challenge his conviction, potentially taking the fight to the Supreme Court. This series of legal challenges could significantly impact his campaign and the broader political landscape. In the broader context, this case raises important questions about the rule of law and the accountability of public officials. Trump's conviction and the subsequent appeal process will be closely watched as a test of the American legal system's ability to hold powerful individuals accountable. It's also worth noting that Trump's legal woes extend beyond this case. He faces several other investigations and legal challenges, including those related to his business practices and actions during his presidency. Each of these cases could have significant implications for his political future and legacy. This trial and its outcome have sparked widespread debate about the fairness of the legal process and the potential for political bias. Critics argue that Trump is being unfairly targeted, while supporters of the prosecution believe that justice is being served. This case will likely remain a contentious issue as the appeals process unfolds. For more in-depth discussions and updates on this case, be sure to check out Just Security and the Amicus podcast. They provide valuable insights and expert analysis that can help you understand the complexities of this landmark case. If you found this update interesting, please like the video, subscribe to ProKick, and leave a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on Trump's conviction and the ongoing legal drama. Do you think the appeal has any chance of success? How do you see this affecting the 2024 presidential race? We want to hear from you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to ProKick for more updates and analysis on this and other important stories. See you next time.